What is up guys? So today I'm back with another car video, and today we're checking out the 2018 Honda Civic LX, the Canadian spec. So in this video we'll check out the exterior, interior, infotainment, and all the different features this car comes standard. So as you know, the LX model in Canada is the base model, no options whatsoever. So this is really what it comes in, the automatic transmission. You can see here we got LED daytime running lights, wheels with wheel caps. The Canadian model will differ from the US spec models. Usually Canadian cars are much more equipped. For some reason, I don't know why. Quick view of the rear. Do get the backup camera, as you can see here. The LX model does not have the Honda lane watch system, where it usually has a camera on the right side mirror. This one does have the optional hood deflector right here. No fog lights or any other additional options on this car. Alright, so let's jump inside and see what features we have. Standard door handle, no smart access system because this is the base model. First off, we got cloth interior. Manual adjusting seats, this really cool unique Honda design, great polstering as well. First thing we see, the digital gauge cluster. Here's a closer look of the digital gauge cluster. You can control this cluster with the help of this button right here. When I click on it, you'll see the different options that is pointed to you. You can see what music is playing, control your phone, switch from kilometers to miles, and your gas consumption. Give it a quick breath so you can see the red needle move, as you can see here. We do have a green leaf for the eco mode, your gas indicator, and your temperature indicator as here. It does have standard the screen here. It's a touch screen. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. As you can see here, I'm running Waze on my iPhone, running iOS 11. If you want to know how to do this, be sure to check out my other videos in my channel. As you can see, let me show you. I got Waze, Google Maps, and all that good stuff. If you want to go back to your Honda menu, you can easily by switching the button home over here. Auto climate control. Push this for the auto menu. Or you can also control it manually via this button right over here. I'm going to turn it off for this video. We have our heated seats controls here for both passenger and driver. Our automatic transmission. We do have the sport mode and the low range mode. Our Econ button, and also the brake hold feature, and our electronic parking brake. You do have a cable management thingy right there, so you can bring in your cable down in the cubby below to upstairs for a nice and neat fashion over here. As you can see down here, we have our single USB outlet for the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We also have a 12-volt outlet right beside this. It's a cloth center rest again. Inside we do have a movable drink holder. You can take this out. If you take this out, you do have a lot of space in here. As you can see, I have my iPhone here. Let's just put this back in. So inside of here, we also do get another USB, but this one's only for charging, 1 amp. No Android CarPlay or whatever. of that sort, only charging. No 12-volt outlet in here, but you do get another huge drink holder right there. Let me just put my phone back in here. And if we take a look over here, we do have our standard glove compartment. This car is equipped with the 6-speaker system, so you got 2 tweeters, 2 speakers on the door, each on each side, and 2 in the rear. No sunroof in this car, unfortunately, as this is the base model. And finally, let me just turn this back on. I will show you the trunk before we end this video. So to open the trunk, you do not have a trunk release. You gotta press this button over here. Since it does not have a trunk release anywhere, you can easily open the trunk without pressing a button in the inside of the car. A huge trunk, plenty of space. You do get your spare tire and jack stand, and you also get your pull downs to drop the rear seats if you need that. There's also no handle in the interior of the trunks, so you do have to close it the old-fashioned way. Alright, so this sums up this quick walk around and review of this car. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Alright, peace guys.